Let's see this problem in linked list to say check if there is a cycle or not. So I've taken this linked list. So how will we check if there is a cycle or not? So what will I do? For the first index, I will take two pointers, slow and fast, and another will be fast. So just represent fast by F and slow by S. So what here it will do? Slow will move one position, next position. So this will move one next position, and F will move two next position. So F will come here. So if whenever there is S is equal to F, that means slow pointer is equal to fast pointer. In that case, there will be a cycle. Now again S will move one position, but in that case F will move two position. Here S will move one position, and in this case F will move two position because there is a cycle. So see, in this case F is equal to S. That means there is a cycle. Just see another example without cycle. So null. So this will point with slow and fast both pointer. S will move one position, F will move two position. S will move one position, F will move two position. So if F is going on null, then there is no cycle. For cycle, there is a condition. In that case, F should be equal to S. And here F is going to null, so there is no cycle. Let's see another method to solve this the cycle in linked list. Actually, what I can do, I can take this current node and I will check a cycle by checking if we are visiting some node two times. Okay, if we are visiting some nodes two times, then that means there is a cycle. So what I will do, I will just check 3. I will just put all the visited nodes inside one set. Okay, so inside this set 3 is not inside this set, so just go on next pointer. 2 is also not in set 2, so we have put 2 inside set. Go on next pointer. This is current node 0, this is also not in set. Go on next pointer 4, this is also not in set. Now again we will go on next pointer. See here, current node will come, so 2 is already inside this set. So that means we are coming two times, we are again coming on the same node. So if there is some node already in this visited set, then that means there is a cycle. So in this way also we can check the cycle. And for no cycle, we will proceed to null and there will not be any repeated nodes. Then we can check, that means there is no cycle. Let's see its code for linked list cycle. Actually, I will write two methods here can be done. First method, I will use by two pointers. Okay, so I will take slow and fast two pointer, both will point to head. Okay, so I will traverse while fast and fast dot next. So our fast will be fast dot next. That means it will point two times. It will move faster two times, and slow will be slow dot next only. Okay, so I will check if slow is equal to fast, return true. That means if there has been slow becoming equal to fast, then in that case there is cycle. So it will return true, else return false. So this is one code for checking the cycle. Just submit. There is some error as cycle. Which line? 9. Slow, fast. Okay. 2 times I should represent head. It will initialize head to both, no, slow and fast. Actually, see here it is submitted. Just see another way. I will not use pointer. I will check by what is HashMap. That means if any node has been visited 2 times, then there is possibility of cycle. Then in that case, it will be cycle. So just check one set visited equal to set, and I will take current node. Current node just take cn equal to head. Okay. I will check while current node is there. So if current node in visited, then return true. See if this current node in visited, that means if it has come 2 times, then there is possibility of cycle. Else current node will be equal to current node next. No, if this current node is not in visited, then we will add inside this visited dot add this current node, and current node will move one step for next node. Current dot next, just come outside and return false. So here what's happening, I have taken current node for head. So if this node is already in this listed set, then return true. How will it be possible? If it comes 2 times, if it is not in listed, then we will just add inside of this listed set and we'll move to next pointer or next node. So like this, whenever there is possibility of 2 nodes, then there is cycle. Just submit this one. Okay, this is also fine. Thank you.